So my sticky strip peeled off of my Lipo strap, so I'm gonna fix it like I did this one. I guess you really can't tell, but it's on there and it works. Only thing you need is Gorilla Glue Clear Grip. At least that's what I use. A razor blade. Just this end, so probably leave the cardboard on there. But that's an old one, so whatever. Zero fucks. Basically, without hitting everything, just want to get it on there good. And you just rub it back and forth on there until it's nice and coated evenly. You're probably definitely gonna get glue on you, so then you just chuck the razor wherever. But at first it's like, it doesn't feel as grippy as this is or does, but once you wrench it down on the battery, it just grips it. Then you have to like peel it off of the battery when you want to take it off. So it definitely works, and I feel like it will stay on there longer than this stuff will, or did. But yeah, that's nice.